Warmer day out there. Temperatures, in fact, about 20 degrees warmer than yesterday. Of course, yesterday had all that rain, no sunshine. It was all liquid sunshine. Today, getting some of that sunshine, pushing us temperatures in the 80s, which is pretty typical for this time of year. I mean, what's not so typical is all the rain the Central Mountains has had. 1 to 3 inches of rain in some spots over the weekend and more expected. The temperature right now in Stanley, only 63. Same temperature there as in Yellowstone. Not the cool spot on the map, though. That goes to the Star Valley area. Afton's just down the road with a current temperature of 59 degrees. And we got some stormy weather over there, too, which is the reason why they're so much cooler. Some heavy rain falling over eastern Caribou County. That's pushing off towards the northeast. Another batch of heavy rain headed for the Central Mountains. Stanley, if you haven't gotten wet yet, of course you probably did earlier, but you're going to get wet again before the night is all said and done. We zoom out. What's next? This moisture here is monsoonal moisture, and that's pretty typical for us to see that here in East Idaho, West Wyoming. Nothing really unusual about that. What is unusual is this is the leftovers of Tropical Storm Hillary spreading right over the western half of the Gem State. Go figure. We're getting some of that tropical storm here. We had it all weekend. It looks like another batch moving over in the Panhandle. Some more moisture scooping up into the Central Mountains. So we'll continue to deal, at least some of us will deal with this for a bit longer, with more monsoonal moisture working its way in once that dissipates and moves on out. So we're not done yet. We're still going to be kind of busy weather-wise for the next day or two. Definitely busy in the wind department. Wind advisory until 9 this evening. Wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. You perhaps saw Matt's hairdo moving around a little bit with that live shot just a moment ago. So there's the wind we're talking about. 62 for a low at Pocatello. Mild for this time of year. 56 for a low at St. Anthony. So mid-50s, lower 60s. Flood watch, as I mentioned earlier, for most areas, with the exception of Salmon, Leadore. You guys are out of that flood watch, but there's potential you'll get some rain overnight, maybe some thunderstorms. Hit and miss showers and thunderstorms for the upper highlands, western Wyoming, and some of those thunderstorms are putting down some very heavy rain. Low temperatures tonight, upper 40s to the mid-50s, 56 in Driggs, and then showers and thunderstorms hit and miss for the southeast highlands. Low temperatures will generally stay in the 50s for all places, even you, Montpelier, you're looking at a low of 51. Then tomorrow, you'll probably see some blue sky, but don't get used to it because there's a chance we could see some rain from the clouds that form in that blue sky, and some thunderstorms as well. Temperatures back to cooler. A lot of us with highs only in the 60s tomorrow, and that will be the case for the upper highlands, western Wyoming, all in the 60s, except for Du Bois. You'll be one of the lucky few. You'll have a comfortable high of 70. Chance of storminess for the Central Mountains. We're not done yet. Still remnants of Tropical Storm Hillary lingering. Temperature will be a bit warmer in Salmon than the rest of us, and warmer there than here in the Snake River Plain. About 10 degrees cooler tomorrow. Won't be quite as sunny. And we got a threat of showers and thunderstorms continuing. Your Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast. Look ahead. There's the dry weather. Yeah, lots of sunshine Wednesday and Thursday. We're back in the 80s. Some more moisture tries to work in Friday, Saturday. So right now, it looks like this is one of those half and half weekends coming up, with Sunday being the nicer, certainly the warmer half. And we're up to 90. We're not done yet with the summer heat. I know, it kind of seems like we're done. Yeah, not quite. Monday we'll hit 90 in the Snake River Plain. Teton area, we're dry for a couple of days with a chance of more storminess Friday and Saturday. And then for the Central Mountains, not dry necessarily tomorrow, but definitely dry weather Wednesday, even more so on Thursday. Not even a cloud in the sky, with a chance of showers and thunderstorms returning Friday and Saturday.